Hello guys, to this video, dalawa yung Toca Boca of Avatar Life. Kakatry ko lang ng Toca Boca World, Avatar Life na lang. Avatar Life World. Okay. Push. Hello guys, it's part 2. FIFA part 2. Fart? Uy! It's cute. Wow! Cutie pie. Avatar World. Avatar Life World. My son. He's like, wow. Can I live in it? Hey, super many. I wanna go to the capybara. Hey, not here. Ay. Click. Hey. Hey. Okay. No, it's not. That's not my house. Actually, it's pretty nice, though. Whoop. Hey. Wait. I will go. Open. Okay, and let's take a fire. It's a fire. I don't like this. Ew. I don't like that, people. It's pretty nice. Pretty nice house. I have a pretty nice house. Wow. Hey, bathtub. Toca Boca had no bathtub, so this one has one. Okay, bathtub. And a washing machine. I will Oh my god. Super cute. Okay. Hey. Ingay mo mag-abans. Hey. What's this super hot here? Oh, honey, can I, go and make the breakfast? Yes. Okay, bye. Oh my god, what code should, what? It's hard to speak English. What code we eat now because it's super cold outside? Maybe not that too. This. Oh, okay. Take this. And let me put some chicken inside because it's there. Done. Then cooking the chicken. Another one. Done too. Let me put this in the there. 1 and 2. Oh, I will make it 2 hot dog. 2 hot dogs. Done. 1 for them. 1 for him. 1 for me. 2 chicken also. No chicken if I will eat this. Yeah, no, put that back. I want this and this. I'm not done yet. Okay, so let's wait for it. Okay, let's go now. My cooking is done and done. Hey. I'm not done yet though. I will wash dishes. Wash the dishes. Scrub. Rinse, and this is done. Here and here. I don't. It's done. Okay. The plate's gonna be here. Oh no. Hey! How can I take this so well? Can I just cook like that? Because it's cold. Some milk. Okay, where's the cup? Cup, hey. Cup. Where's the cup? Okay. Hey, the pan is here. I didn't see the pan. I will fry eggs. I wanna fry eggs, so it's not working. Hey, it's not there. Yep. So where is it? Honey, is it done? I'm done eating. Let's go. Oops, sorry. Oh, take the cup. 1 and 2. Hey, sit down. Sit down. One for him. One for me. Sit down. It's done. Don't put it in the ref and eat. You're not eating it. Eat it, bro. No eating for now. I'm eating this. Oh no, I'm not eating. Or else we're not eating any. Bro, how can I just? No, I'm grounded. Nah. Wash the dishes. Oops, sorry. What? I said wash the dishes. Okay. Not your hair though. I'll turn up your hair. Hey! I'm putting it. It's done. Bro, you didn't. Shut up. It's a bad mood. I will go upstairs.
Okay, let's start.
Hey.
Great, I've I've got the weather. Oh no, me again. Yeah, right. Take that. Oops, sorry.
No.
Oh, Jade, 1994 is losing.
Your
You
car.
know associations. Play now.
Your car. Ano naman yun? Huh? Aray! Sakit! Ano ito? Okay. I have a head back. Oops. Oh, this is mine here. Oops. I said this is Mario. Home sweet home. Alam ko to. I know this.
Get your dog.
Huh?
Get your dog. Sit down here.
Wow. Hmm.
It's broken again. Isa! Hindi ka nagli-listen kay mami. Get your dog. Aluhin kita. Di ka na nga nag-sleep eh. Here. Here. Why? What are your problem? Ha? Why? Oh, dito na yan. Oh, saan ka mag-higa? Saan ka mag-sleep? Here? Oh, here. Diyan ka dyan. No. Ito na nga mag-sleep eh. Ano sa drama mo? Higa ka dyan sa dog mo. Ano ka pa nga? Patasan dyan ba yung controller?
Hindi ko.
Pagsak mo yung TV. Yung dalawa, ha?
Okay. Wait. Huh. Hey. I don't like this color. This ticket button. No. No. Yes.
So, Beatrice, di ka rin natulog. Puro ka cellphone. Hindi si tulog ng panghali. Lagyan din sa ano. Hey, here.
Waiting.
You can judge me. Dis- Hindi lamang na mas bigat ang bagsak ng problema. Kung hindi,
Should we open it and see what's inside? Yes? Let's open it. You say open. Open. Oink, 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 oink. What's that sound?
Messy work. You need to erase this section and do it again neatly, starting right here.
Bro.
Ouch!
Hey. Party.